Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose, very loose today. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over a project, I almost said it right there, that I believe could 50 to 100x, most likely 50x. Now, this is not financial advice, not telling you to get out there and accumulate any of these tokens, but there is potential here. So I'm going to get into this project, and we have another one out this week as well. I just want you to all at least pay attention and see what's out there and give you guys a couple of reasons why. So comment down below what you think the price of this token will be at in the next bull run, okay? So before you do that though, before you do anything, before you drive back home from work or whatever it is you're doing, you need to subscribe, and then you need to like this video. That's going to help us out here on the channel. If you don't do it, then the moose can't get loose. The moose only gets loose with the booze and with the views. All right. So what token are we talking about? Gala Games, baby. So I've been paying attention, obviously, for the past 5 years, and when I show you this, it will make sense, okay? So, by the way, I'm heavily invested into Cardano, Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, and this is an ERC20 token, I believe. So this is built on top of Ethereum, and this offers a lot of potential. So we'll get into some of those reasons. And, you know, there's a moment in time within the crypto space where there's a lot of panic. There's a lot of people that get into the market, then they're out. And in my opinion, now is the time to get in. Not telling you to get any coins. This is not financial advice, but at the end of the day, this is the time to consider getting in. If you've been waiting for the bull run, well, this is a opportunity. This is perhaps the opportunity of a lifetime. If you've been following crypto, if you've been researching and accumulating and DCAing and doing all those things, I think you're going to do very well, because I feel like we are near the bottom. Now, again, we could go much lower. This token right here is at 2 cents effectively, right? So 7-day, we're down 4%. And that's what I want to mention as well is, do you get in now? So on the 1 day, we're down 0.5%. 7-day, you're down almost 5%. The 1 month, you're down 20%. The 1 year, you're down 63%. That's the opportunity. Okay? So a project that was 5 cents, it's at 2 cents now. And if you go to all time, okay, we're up 1,000% more. We're up a lot. But this project, peak of last bull run, was at 37 cents. And the reason being is because they have a platform for NFT music, for games and stuff like that. So we're gonna go over what it is, what they do. And Gala Games has a great name, Gala, right? So, you know, when you think about the potential for where we're heading for the next bull run, this is a consideration, right? Even if you don't believe in the project, just in the sense that, I mean, we're at 50 cents. Let's call it 33 cents, okay? Pretty easily. The fact that it's at 2 cents now, it just screams opportunity in my eyes, right? We were at 1.50 not long ago. And this is a big project, a big household name, and a project that's probably going to be around next bull run. So let's check out the website. And that's really what I wanted to mention was we're down 62%. And the thing is, when do you get in? Do you get in now? Because you could also get in now and you can go down 30%. So perhaps DCA, dollar cost average, would be a strategy to accumulate a little bit of Gala tokens over the next month or two. That's if you were looking to get it. You know, I'm not telling you to get anything. That's what I would do, right? Personally, I haven't bought any yet, but it's something that I'm looking at. This and another project I'm going to be talking about this week, okay? So you're going to want to do research. Before you get anything, you have to put in hours, right? You've got to understand what it is. Even myself, I need to add more to my research, and I need to write things down. Basically, I always talk about it, but every week, every month, I'll typically write down and I will look at a macro of not just cryptos, but everything. Like Austin Matthews rookie card, which is a great buy now, by the way, if you're into sports cards. Austin Matthews rookie cards. I'll look at, paintings of artists that you can get on Masterworks, whatever it is, cryptocurrencies, NFT, land sales. And I will put the top 10 and I'll keep reiterating that list. So something you can do. So music, right? You've got a platform for games. You've got, so games, music, film, experience built around the joy of community. Together we are community. We are a community uplifting powerhouse defining new frontiers in Web3 entertainment. So if you want to get a token that is going to give you a little bit of stake in games, in especially something built on Ethereum, this has potential, right? Giving back power to players, and that gaming is huge in crypto. I don't even play games. Like I play NHL. I'm really good at it because I'm good at hockey, right? But in terms of MMO games, I don't really play. Together we are community uplifting, blah, 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 same thing. Now, the thing is that they do have a good team, right? So join the team, join the Discord. So definitely, guys, do your research, check it out. But just based on the fact that next bull run, this is going to go much higher. A couple other things to take into account for. If we go to games here as well, app.Gala Games, we'll go full screen for a minute. And one thing as well is there's only 46% of the supply out. So this will fluctuate the price quite a bit. It's just when you see this, it's like, this looks like a buying area, right? But again, it could go lower. We do not know. That we do not know, right? But just look into the partnerships, look at what they've done, and I really do like the name. The name itself could really do dividends. Okay? Where would you even pick up Gala? Probably Uniswap. So again, you have to do your research. That's what we're doing a little bit here as well. So I'm going to research myself. And comment down below. What do you guys know about Gala Games? If you guys have any info, let me know. Documentary, sci-fi. Gala film nodes. Nodes are the foundation of our decentralized entertainment ecosystem. By owning and operating a film node license, you can support the hosting of content across Gala Film and receive rewards for your contribution. So that's really cool. I think they're trying to do like a Netflix of, it looks like they have some cool little projects here. But you can imagine that all this is going to be growing out, right? So you have to have a vision. You have to have a vision, see what's possible. You have to think, if this is going to gain any traction next bull run, it could do well, right? Even if you don't believe in it long term, short term, this has potential, right? And again, I know that the name is massive in the space, right? Let's see their music here. And again, I need to do a lot more research, but I'm just bringing it to your attention. Let me know what you guys think. So this is more of like a quick update, potential 50x. I already know some people are going to be like, this isn't a 50x. Well, might be. Latest releases. So even now, like they have stuff. What is this? My Spot. Can I play that? There we go. So you got to sign up, but they have a nice UI, right? User interface is on point. Like if you're an artist, right? You can create your NFTs, put out some music. This is nice. And this is where the world's going. This is the Web3 space that people talk about. When you're integrated in the metaverse, this is where things are. So really, I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. I think this is a potential. I don't know how well some of their games are doing, but I know they had a lot of traction, especially last bull run. And, it's got potential just based on the fact that it's down so much. And there's a couple projects like that. Engine is pretty low as well. Engine is kind of like Dega, where they're, the helping facilitating the infrastructure for Web3 gaming in metaverse. Again, very similar, right? We'll even look at the 1 year here. Down 54%. 23 cents, right? I mean, this could easily go back to $2-3 next bull run. So something to think about. Look at the gaming metaverse spaces. There's a lot of projects where, it might be time to DCA. Not telling you to do that, but I'm just thinking to myself out loud. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So, check out the channel. We've got tons of content. And we also have a free Cardano mini course. This course is awesome. I'm going to be doing a Bitcoin one and Ethereum. Probably cover the top 5 blockchains. Let me know which blockchain interests you all most. And let me know your top cryptocurrency token for 2024 for the next bull run. Could be 2025. Nobody knows for sure. So that being said, everybody, the moose is loose. Producing more content. Peace.